You saw the title. I am back with another installment of my Websites to Cure Boredom series from TikTok.
I'm so bored.
Now, whether you want a quick form of entertainment or you just want to save some websites for later for the next time you're bored, I promise you, if you keep watching, you will find some websites that will cure your boredom. All you have to do is make sure you have that bookmarks folder ready to go and it's empty. So let's get into it. Websites to Cure Boredom, part 16. Do you want to see what Earth will look like in the future? Just go to this website and you can see predictions for different cities. Let's check in on New York. And here's New York in 2050. Wait, what is that? What? Websites to Cure Boredom, part 17. Do you want to test how smart you are on different topics? If you go to this website, you can play thousands of quizzes in different categories. Just watch. So I'm going to search for geography. I'm going to play this one. We have to find each U.S. state. All right, Oregon, easy. Arkansas, easy. Delaware, no one knows where Delaware is, right there. Websites to Cure Boredom, part 18. If you go to this website, it'll turn your simple doodles into actual pictures. Just watch. I'm going to attempt to draw a cat. There's my finished cat. If you click up top, it guesses what you drew and replaces it with better pictures. There's more cats. Websites to Cure Boredom, part 19. First, go to this website. Then select the character in the drop-down. We're going to go with Eric Cartman. Type what you want them to say. And hit speak.
Hello, TikTok. You better like, share, and follow. See?
Websites to Cure Boredom, part 20. If you go to this website, you can scroll across the world and find different UFO sightings near you. And if you click on one, it'll give you more details about it and sometimes even video. Oh yeah, they're coming for us. Websites to Cure Boredom, part 21. Go to theofficestairmachine.com, then type an emotion in this text box and hit go. It'll play scenes from The Office that show that emotion. Hey, get it, Aaron. Websites to Cure Boredom, part 22. If you go to this website, you can play Google's family Feud style game where you have to guess Google's autocomplete answers for each query. What is the number for pie? Number 1. What is the number for McDonald's? What is the number for 911? Oh yeah. Websites to Cure Boredom, part 23. If you go to this website, you can play Minecraft Classic with 9 of your friends. Just hit start. And you'll be able to play in your new Minecraft world directly in your browser. Enjoy. Websites to Cure Boredom, part 24. First, go to this website. Then you can pick from thousands of old school PC games that were forgotten. I'm going to pick Oregon Trail. And we're off. And I died of dysentery. RIP. Websites to Cure Boredom, part 25. First, go to this website. Then click on this red button. It'll bring you to a random website. I guess I'm just slapping Captain Kirk here. If you're still bored, hit it again. Oh, this one translates text to Morse code. Websites to Cure Boredom, part 26. If you go to this website, you can explore classic video game maps. I'm going to do Super Mario 64 DS in Womp's Fortress. And now I can explore the entire map just by flying around. Websites to Cure Boredom, part 27. You will not believe this, but if you go to this website, you can see what it feels like to spend Elon Musk's money. Just watch. Let's buy a few Xboxes, add some of these expensive cheese graters. Let's buy these cars, a football team and a tank, and one mega yacht. And all that, and we only spent 2% of his money. Websites to Cure Boredom, part 28. Did you know if you go to this website, you can type in phrases or quotes in the top left, and it'll give you random clips from movies and TV shows that use that phrase.
You're so beautiful. God, you are so beautiful.
Thank you, Ron. Websites to Cure Boredom, part 29. If you search for this on Google and click the first link, you can use all these awesome applications and games. Just watch. Got Worms, a free code editor, also one of my favorites, Red Alert 2. Websites to Cure Boredom, part 30. You will not believe it, but if you go to this website, you can actually design and build your own Lego models within the browser. Just watch. Let's add this plate, give it a Nice rotation. Let's add Baba Fett. And when you're done, you can actually make a 3D rendering of your design. Sick. Thanks for watching, and what I want you to do now is comment below what your favorite website to cure boredom was. And also don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can check out the next installment whenever that comes out, who knows. I also have some other socials, you can find them in the description, so go follow me there. And other than that, we out.